we're going to the range and I have my gun.
Hey! Where are you going?
I'm going to the range.
Really? Can I go with you?
Yeah? Do you have your guns?
Sure, let me prepare myself.
What you guys doing?
We're gonna go to the gun shopping.
Really? Those guns?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not? You should just what we use.
Guys, we are done. Let's prepare.
What are we doing here?
Well, first of all, let's go to the range. We need to lubricate the guns.
Okay.
So otherwise, can give you some problems for shooting when you guys are shooting. First of all, you need to make sure safety first. Remove magazine. Make sure there's no bullets inside.
This one come home. Okay.
So for this one, and that's what you gotta look. A little bit of lube anyone you perform for weapons. You're just gonna like up right here on the thread. Remove the spring. Put the spring back. Put the same thing here. Always put everything together. That's it. Ready to go. Right to place.
Go inside to do the gun shooting. The toy. We want toys, but he doesn't. Racist. Before we get inside, we will have to protect ourselves. We have to put in the earbud. ที่อุดหู
Protectores para oído.
earbuds and safety glasses แว่นตา
No, I fell. New one.
Lentes de seguridad.
the headset หูฟัง แต่เราไม่ได้ฟังเราใช้ปิดเสียง
Audífonos.
then with the เป้า target
Blank bullets.
ลูกกระสุน ลูกกระสุน
Balas.
ปืน
I'm not sure right now because we're writing all the area.
ready sure go go
Ready first. Let's go into the 18.
Hand the firearm to somebody else. So if you're shooting, okay, I'm done. Cannot hand it to somebody else. You want to make sure you release the magazine, pull the slide
Open it up, put it down, next face contact.
Yes, y'all have fun and be safe.
what do we have to do
Well, we gotta follow the rules first. Let's continue forward. We gotta get the magazines out. You get open. How you can do it manually, or you can go with the numbers over here. Depend how you go is the distance. Like for example, you go 2.5, so you go automatically there. The target number 1. person can get in, you step out. This person can get in, do the same thing. With the magazine.
Bad. Why? I don't want to embarrass myself by not shooting it in the middle.
I'm scared.
Only cut out the bad parts.
I need one that's more lighter.
You don't have it, so.
The one in the middle, you see?
In the middle and the shot is below.
3 and 4.
I cannot kill anybody. It's not go to the target.
Everywhere.
But I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shot, 2 in the same hole, and like 3, I don't know. This is not bad. So just practice.
What I can do is my nose is good. What are you going to do now?
I just bought this one, I gotta say like 6 months ago.
It's toy.
That's a toy. Sorry, did I say I can shoot with toys over here?
Are we going to be able to use that?
This is the lock safety.
How much is it?
Huh?
Like the kit?
It's the same thing, Felix.
I feel like it's going to hurt.
The center. No, you're gonna hurt less, Papi.
I'm scared.
It's okay. It's the same thing.
I will try again one more time.
Okay.
I support to shoot target 2.
I hope so you're shooting that one.
I shoot target 2, but it's go to 4.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, this is all mine. This is the target I support to shoot, but it's go to 4.
So that means, guys, be careful, because she's gonna shoot you in your head. She's gonna throw, aim your head. She's gonna shoot you in the balls.
Your lung, your stomach.
Yeah. Just make sure everything is gone. Everything goes. Way better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shot. That's great. All over in the white area. Everything in the white area is great.
It's also in the white area. How far you want to shoot?
15 yards.
Okay.
More
then.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 outside. 1, 2, 3, 4 inside. Not bad.
Yay, we're done. Thank you for the shipping today. And finally, you can use your toy that you just bought. How about you, Felix?
That's okay.
Can you take out your mask?
No.
Nah. And don't forget to follow ITSOTIX.
On Facebook and YouTube.
Yeah.
If you go on YouTube and ITSOTIX, please subscribe
Yeah, please subscribe, put the bell,
and like.
like and share.
Yeah.
Thank you.